Hello YouTube, Chashtek's back with another great video, and today's video is about how we can install a Windows 11 on an unsupported PC hardwares. A lot of you guys have known you can install Windows 11 on unsupported computers. So Windows 11 have a lot of requirements which should have to be fulfilled in order to be installed on computer, but some computer may not support this requirement. So on this video we are going to see on how we can solve this problem. Now let's see how we can solve it. So in order to solve this problem, you need a flash drive, a bootable flash drive. You can get a flash drive. It's so simple to get it. So let's get a Rufus in order to start the process. So click on your browser and type on your search bar Rufus. So after you type Rufus on the search bar, you will find here a link that will show you Rufus create bootable USB drive, the easy way to say. So click on the first link that you will get and go to the bottom. So this thing will help you to create a bootable USB drive on easy way. So go to the bottom and you'll find here download. So after you find download, they will update it every time. So download the latest version, which is I'm going to show you here. I have two versions, Rufus 3.17 and Rufus 3.17 portable. So I'm going to download Rufus 3.17, the portable one. So I'm going to select it and it's going to start downloading. And as you can see here, Rufus started downloading on my computer. So when it's finished, click on Rufus and open it. So here the Rufus is opening on my computer. So say yes to proceed in order to start the installation. So here it asks you, do you want all Rufus check for application update online? Then select yes in order to finish, or you can say no, and I'm going to select yes. Then here the Rufus opened. So it says insert a device, which is your flash drive. As I have said earlier, insert your flash drive. So I'm going to insert my flash drive. So make sure you erased all your data on inside your flash drive. So format your flash drive. So it show you like this. Then select OK. So it's processing to format the flash drive, and don't forget your flash drive, at least it should have to be 16 gigabyte or 16 GB. In my case it's like 32 GB. So format complete, then select OK, and as you can see the flash drive is clean now. So I'm going back to the Rufus. So here I have my flash drive, and boot selection, it says disk or ISO image, then make it or leave it as it is, and here go to the select and select here the drop down option and select download. So it will be changing to download, and select again download. So here we find lists of operating system with different version. So which is, let's click here the drop down arrow. So here we have Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, UEFI Shell 2.2, and others. So the point we are here is to download Windows 11. So select Windows 11 and go to continue. So after you continue, it will proceed to the next step, and it will give you different versions. So in my case, it's the release version is 21H2 version, and in your case it may be different. So based on the update, it may be different. Then select the latest version, and I'm going to proceed continue, and it will give you edition. So you can select different editions. Basically in my case I have Windows 11 Home Pro and EU edition. So I'm going to select continue. So after you select continue, it will ask you to select language. So in order to select language, You can select the drop down and select different language. I'm going to proceed with English International and select continue. So it's going to ask you the architecture that you want, and the architecture that I have is 64, sorry. Then you can download using your browser or using the Rufus. Then I'm going to proceed without checking this box and select download. That it will ask you the location where you want to put the downloaded file. Let me put it on my desktop. So here it says win11 underscore English International underscore, then 64 bits, which is selected, and it's ISO image. Then select here save. So as you can see here, it's 5.2 GB and the download is started here, and based on your internet connection it may take some time, so wait patiently until it will finish the downloading. Okay, here the download finished, and as you can see here, boot selection, it's Windows 11 English International 64-bit is already downloaded. And the next thing that you will do is image options, which is here the trick starts on PCs that are unsupported. So on this one, standard Windows 11 installation 2.0 plus secure bit. If your computer can support Windows 11, you can use this option. But if your computer does not support Windows 11, or if it does not fulfill the requirements, then here click the down arrow and select no TPM and no secure boot option, which is extended Windows 11 installation. Select this one, so it does not stop you from installing on your computer. So select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot, if your computer does not support. If it supports, use the other option. So after we select this one, then leave partition scheme as GPT and target system as UEFI and CSM, and again volume label leave it as it is, and again the next information also leave as they are. File system and cluster size, leave it as it is, and select here start. So we already done earlier formatting our flash drive, and you should have to do the same things. You should have to back up or format your drive because all the data will be removed. So I'm going to select here OK. So first it's deleting some data and it's creating partitioning some informations. So it will take some time to process the bootable flash drive which supports Windows 11. So you can install it on unsupported computers. So it's going to remove all the restrictions on your computer, on your flash drive. So all the restrictions related with unsupported computers will be removed, and it will be ready to be installed on unsupported computers. So wait patiently until it will finish the process. Okay, now here Rufus finished the bootable flash drive. So the bootable flash drive is ready to be installed the Windows 11 on your computer. So here close the Rufus and check your flash drive. As you can see, my flash drive is already bootable to be installed on my computer, on unsupported computer. So now the flash is ready to be inserted in a computer and to install the Windows 11 on the unsupported computers. So insert the flash, turn off the computer and insert the flash, then press the boot option, which is the function keys, and start installing your Windows 11 on the computer. So this is all about on how we can install on unsupported computers, which is the Windows 11. So thank you for watching this video, and if it is helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. For today, Josh Take out.